Okay, so today we are at Carillon Park, which is basically a museum and a park all in one. And so they have carousels here, they have little trains, and it's just a fun place to learn about the history of Ohio. So they have a bunch of cash registers because Ohio is the home of the cash register. Oh, you have to put one of these on top. Liberty engine. This is an airplane engine? What? Abby, what are we about to go on?
Horsey.
You can go on the carousel? Hey, what are you on? You on a horsey? Are you gonna go on the carousel?
Yeah.
Here we go! It's fun, Abby? The carousel. I should have brought on the flight. This is not a replica. This is the actual first ever airplane. It's really hard to see because I'm not allowed to have flash in here. So, pretty cool stuff. So, the Carillon Park has this huge adventures area with so many big slides. I'm having Abby go up there so she'll ride one now. Did you read the sign out there? No.
That's both a tavern and a inn, it looks like.
Hey Sam, look back here.
Seafood lady.
Hot already, and then you crunch it together.
Hot lit.
Ready? Go! Yeah, you did it! You gonna go again? Alright, go again.
Well, we went to Pennsylvania when you were 2 and he was a baby.
Now, the last part of our fun day here, we are in their train museum. It's crazy reading this guide. It's saying a ticket price to go from Baltimore to Washington, D.C. was $2.50 the entire way. And I wish it was that cheap to travel now. That would be really, really nice.
Hi.
This is what a train looks
Can I
like.
take a nap? Hi. We're going on trains.
Can I get in that video too?
Yes, you can.
Hi, I'm Random Stranger, and we're going on trains.
Non-existent present. William Nicole
Let's not
Johnson.
engage in foolishness.
Hi.
Not important.
That was a horrible laugh, but that was really
Hi.
funny.
We
Boy,
just went on trains.
Hi. My name is Sam. 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 My name is Sam. I'm not cooking spray. That is what Lily calls me. She calls me Pam. I am not a can of cooking spray. Okay? You got that? You got that? Now, don't call me Pam ever. Oh, hi there. I'm Sam.
No, don't. Hi, we're looking at bikes now, and yeah.
Alright, I just want to let y'all know that guy was a random stranger. I don't know who he was. Never seen him before. Probably will never see him again in my life. Me neither. I was just very confused. I thought he was joking when he saw they taking a video of Lydia and said, "Can I be in that?" And I was like, "Sure." And then he actually did want to be in it. So, yep, that was his 2 seconds of being on the Johnson Family's YouTube. Oh, and my new nickname is Bionic Elbow because I got 3 screws put in this elbow by breaking it. So, yeah, I'm Bionic Elbow. We are going on a hike to see a waterfall. We're on a train. Look what's up ahead.
Go that way. Touch water.
Baby first, camera next.
Abby, is that pretty?
No, I just be wet.
Somebody fell in mud. So she has to clean up. And her shoes are gonna go away. Now after our lovely hike, we're gonna go get some ice cream.
Hi.
Go goats.
Lydia, there's your hand.
They're all yours. They're all yours. Look at that.
Go see him.
They're all coming to see you, Abby. You want to pet it? I think she'll have food for it. I think she'll have food. Oh, you got it. Good job.
That is
It's a baby cow. Maybe it's just right there. Hey, come over here. Hi. Oh, hello. Hello. Your ears are so long.
Mom, get it. Lick your leg.
Here, hold it like this. There you go.
What?
On the TV, it's just like, you can't buy happiness, but you can't buy happiness. How's your ice cream?
Good.
Is yours good?
Yep.
Yours good, Mommy?
It is good.
Thank you. This looks so good. Yup. Cows are off. Damn, describe the cow trough in one word.
Tasty, and it made now my stomach is full, and I hope I don't get stomach.
I'm gonna say flavorful because we had 5 flavors. We had cow patty, which is like their #1 flavor. It's like
Butter
lots of
pecan.
chocolate, butter pecan, chocolate chip cookie dough, which I didn't really taste. Red peppermint patty and s'mores, and then like hot fudge
I
caramel.
found the chocolate chip cookie dough. That's the one that was in the middle.
It was yummy, yummy ice cream.
Well, thanks for tuning into our vlog today, guys. Have a good one. We had fun. I hope you did. Bye.